grow lettuce on your kitchen counter. One winner cost $5, and it crushed the $400 setup.
Same lettuce seed, same window, 60 days, 6 methods. I tracked cost, yield in ounces, taste, and how much I screwed up.
Method 1. Windowsill soil. Cheap, easy, and starving for light. 4 ounces of leggy lettuce in 6 days. Sad. Method 1.
Method 3, microgreens tray, 14 days, 12 ounces, insane nutrient density. Not technically lettuce pie, but the surprise hit. Method 3.
Light is the whole game. Indoor lettuce isn't about water or soil. It's about photons. Here's why that changes everything. Light is...
Inside, I cannot help your lettuce.
Method 5. Vertical kitchen tower. Beautiful, productive, 38 ounces, $400 to start. That's $12 per ounce day 1.
Method best yield of any kitchen method. But the upfront cost rules it out for most beginners. There's a cheaper way. Watch.
Countertop unit was an Aero Garden. Best plug-and-play option I've tested. Code GrowLab 10 in the description gets you 10% off. Number 6, the Cracky jar. 1 mason jar, some nutrient solution, no pump, no electricity, no LEDs, $5 total.
22 ounces, $5. 0 work after setup. The plant drinks the solution. The water level drops. That's it. 22 ounces. Cracky beats every method on value. Microgreens beat every method on speed. The $400 tower is luxury, not necessity.
No pump to fail. No LED to buy. No daily watering. Lettuce wants exactly what a sunny window and a jar already give it. No jar. Net cup. Hydroponic nutrient solution. 1 lettuce seedling. Set it on a sunny ledge. Walk away. Eat in 30 days.
Without me, the sun still feeds your lettuce. Simple wins. It always wins. The most expensive setup is rarely the best one.
Next Tuesday, the 5 plants that grow themselves. Subscribe and go watch the first big test, link below.